Hey, today I gonna make Missouri's birthday food for a day. And my breakfast will be hot cake. Let's go.
To make it easy, I use Morinaga hot cake mix, which you can find in any Asian grocery shop. The important key is to mix the wet ingredients first, and then gently mix the flour so it will be fluffy. I make a mistake before, and my pancakes turned out as if it had spent too much time in the gym. Heat the pan and lower the heat to low. Pour 1/3 of the mixture into the pan. After around 3 minutes, you will see bubbles. Flip it to other side and cook for another 2.5 minutes with a cover. Serve with butter and maple syrup.
For lunch, I will make cold soba, which is perfect for this hot summer.
Soak the kombu in water for half an hour and boil it for 10 minutes and add katsuobushi or tuna flakes. Boil for 3 minutes. You can use instant dashi, but I will use kombu and tuna flakes for my dinner, so that's why I made it from scratch. Add mirin, soy sauce, sugar. Boil it over medium-low heat for 10 minutes and then refrigerate it. Now it's time to cook soba. Boil it for 5 minutes. And then rinse it with cold water. I've lost count how many times I made this soba. It is so good. For dinner, I will make onigiri or rice balls. I start by cutting the kombu into strips and boiling it with water, dry vinegar, mirin, soy sauce, and sugar. I let it simmer until all the water evaporates. And then I add roasted sesame seeds. As for tuna flakes, I stir them to remove any excess water and season them with soy sauce, mirin, sugar, and also sesame seeds. Now, both of my fillings are ready to go. To make the rice balls, I use a rice mold to make things quick and easy. With a gentle press and seaweed, here is an onigiri.